is Sky News Business, Australia's business channel.
Hello and welcome to the Monday night property edition of Your Money, Your Call. I'm Lisa Montgomery from Resi Home Loans, and tonight, as usual, the panel and I will be taking your calls and answering your emails on all things property. We've got a great show for you this evening, so make sure that you stay tuned and hopefully we'll be able to assist you if you're beginning or continuing your property investing journey. Now, there are two ways that you can get in on the conversation tonight. You can simply call 1300 30 34 35 and speak with us, or send us an email at property@skynews.com.au. Well, hello to you both. And thank you for joining me this evening.
Thanks for having us.
It's a great night to talk property, and an important one to talk about these figures that we're seeing, Rob.
Yeah.
The sort of, I guess, flattening out of the market across those major capitals. What are your thoughts when you read this data?
Well, it's been interesting. I've been sort of speaking about this throughout the year, especially at the beginning of the year. I said to most of the agents that I bump into and the marketplace as well, I've seen the first quarter was going to be very different to the last quarter, and I think we're going to be seeing that as we see it now. So, yeah, the marketplace is slowly changing. We're not seeing it's not as buoyant as it was. Certainly there are pockets and there are strengths in that market. Sub $1 million is still strong, but we're not seeing it as prevalent as we saw it before, you know, that $2–3 million range. There's starting to be that sort of adjustment.
What about stock coming onto the market? What are you seeing there?
Well, actually, the winter markets have been, you can see that the stock level has been low, and therefore it's keeping the prices at that higher level, and the competition's there. At this stage, it's probably a good 10 to 20% difference in terms of the stock level that we would see from last year. So, but again, that will level out as we're getting into spring. A lot more properties that I'm noticing are now scheduled to come onto the market, so it'll be an interesting spring.